this video, let us look at Helicobacter pylori infection, the pathogenesis. Okay?
Yeah.
So you should know one thing, H. pylori colonizes 50%, okay, 50% of the world's human population. In their stomach it will colonize, okay?
Yeah.
This is one of the things, and the colonization is favored because of some factors. It is favored because of the motility of the H. pylori. H. pylori is highly motile. It is it has 4 to 8 unipolar flagella. We told you, right? It has some 7 sheath flagella, etc. So it is having 4 to 8
Yeah.
unipolar flagella. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Good. Now it is going to remain in the viscous environment of the mucous layer overlying the gastric mucosa. So where it is going to be? It is going to be over the gastric mucosa. Okay? Yeah. Now, one more reason that the H. pylori is able to survive in the stomach is because it has acid resistance. It has acid resistance, which may be, due to these enzymes. Urease enzyme. Obviously, we have spoken about urease enzyme already, right?
Urease enzyme.
Yes, urease enzyme. And amidase arginase. Say amidase arginase. Arginase. Okay. So it is able to survive because of the motility and because of because of the acid resistance. So it is able to resist the acid, right? This is what is the main important point. How is it able to resist the acid? Because of urease enzyme, etc. enzymes. Then one more thing which is favoring its colonization in the stomach. See, the word you have to use here is colonization, okay? Colonization is favored by, okay? Remember this.
Yes.
Yes, colonization is favored by motility, acid resistance, and there is a third point here that you have to know, that is adhescence. Okay, say adhescence.
Adhescence.
Very good. So though most of the H. pylori remain within the mucous layer, a few 2% may bind to mucosal epithelium. So a few of them can even bind to the mucosal epithelium. Say epithelium. Yes. So they are going to bind to the mucosal epithelium by expressing a few adhesion molecules such as blood group antigen binding adhesion, okay, Lewis blood group antigen, some blood group type of antigens, and adherence associated lipoprotein. By this, this is easy to remember. Some adhesion proteins they have, and because of this they are able to even bind to the mucosal epithelium. Some more things we can know here is, one more point is there which helps its colonization in the stomach, resistance to oxidative stress. So it is able to resist oxidative stress. So it produces many detoxifying enzymes it's producing, that protect against the effects of oxygen derived free radicals generated from the bacterium's own metabolism and the inflammatory defenses of the hosts. So basically it can protect itself from the oxygen derived free radicals which are derived from the bacteria's own metabolism. Well, let us see what and all favors the colonization of H. pylori. Motility. Number 1, motility. Acid resistance. It's motile. It is resistant to acid of the gastric acid, and it has adhescence which will help it bind to the mucosal epithelium. and also resistance to the oxidative stress, right? Resistance to the oxidative stress. So these are the 4 points which helps it colonize. Let's continue in the next video.